Yes, it had better be. He cannot afford another misstep. I'm quite sure this will be his last chance.
Goku out of this tournament now! Come on, Kakarot! Find a way! I entrusted everything to you! My pride, my promise, everything! I won't tolerate failure! Trespass into the domain of the gods! Do it, Kakarot! Canceled out that blast! I know how easily it's ripped away! I'll show you! The truth is, I ain't no hero of justice or anything else like that. But anyone who tries to hurt my friends is gonna pay!